I'm gonna show you 2 ways in which you can record professional sounding voiceovers today. Now, the very first thing that you wanna do is you wanna stop overthinking. Just turn this off. The second thing you wanna do is if you have a pop filter, I'm just using this little do-rag. You can put it at the bottom of your phone. It'll take out some of those pop sounds that are just ugly and nasty and makes a recording sound muddy and very, very unprofessional. And another thing that I want to throw in, do not be afraid to experiment. Like, I've never used a do-rag as a pop filter before in my life. I don't know how good this is gonna work. I don't really care. I'm just trying something out. The next thing you want to do, you want to go to a quiet room, maybe a closet, just somewhere quiet, period. After that, open up your script and your notes. Make sure that there's not any ums or oohs or ahs or none of that crazy kind of stuff in there, because it will just make it sound unprofessional. Now, the next thing you want to do is open the Voice Memo app on your phone and just press record. Once you record your voiceover, you want to go into any editing software that you use and you want to take out the pauses, because if you're like me, you're going to have to chop it up, you know what I'm saying, to make it more seamless. Once you have everything chopped up the way that you want it, simply slap some visuals on top of that voiceover and you're golden. And the very last step is to put it out. Keep creating. Man, I got all these haters. Don't nobody want to see me win. Every time I come around, folk, they act different. Yeah, that's cool. I got something for them.